welcome back to my voice tube. Today my ball is broken and burst. Oh, so I got my dad. I have this one, the honor pump. This pump is going to be to pump the ball, pump the motorcycle, to pump baseball and all the basketball and a car. Okay, now the next one is the pump holders. But the pump is gonna be a size of 2-inch. This one's gonna be pumped in rings, ball, soccer ball, and other balls are what gonna do. Okay.
Okay, my father.
My father will be fixed, but I'm gonna open, but my father is too strong. That's gonna be good.
My father will show it. Your father will show it to you.
Okay.
Let's
Let's
do it.
do it.
Yeah.
I can open the pump puller.
Okay. You have.
So we have a pump. So you're gonna open the pump. Ayah, sana airan ni nanti diambil.
Apa?
Today, next up is from the end. Now this one is the wireless pipe. This one is going to be put the pipe to be put inside and it's not going to be.
So here. Let's put it.
Hey.
First,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cepatlah.
Let's screw.
And this one is the next screw. Ayah, kena buka lah.
Okay lah.
Now this one, the pump, is going to be pump.
Okay, next.
And this one is the screw on top there.
Okay.
So
Give
this
Ayah
one
ball.
is, this is another
Yes.
screw, and this is another screw, and this one is to be the
this is different screw for
pump.
different ball.
Okay, this one is pump this.
Okay.
Okay. Today I'm to pump this.
Okay.
Ow!
Show how to pump the ball.
This one like this.
Okay. Oh,
Pump
okay.
it.
Okay. Okay, try. Faster.
Wah. Faster. Alam.
Okay. Okay, enough.
Okay, we enough. Gonna
Open
open.
it. Pull. I can pull.
Now you can complete my ball. My ball is shiny. But you're gonna put it like this,
So you can play.
so you can play. If you want to play, to go to my playground. My playground have about swimming pools and the playground too. And please subscribe for Wise Tube and like in the comments, like and share, like and subscribe.